Have you ever wondered how a production order actually works in SAP PP? Production orders are the heart of the manufacturing process in SAP. They connect planning with actual execution, from reserving raw materials to confirming finished products. In this video, we'll go step by step through the entire production order process in SAP PP. You'll learn what a production order is, the data you need before creating one, the full life cycle of a production order, and how it integrates with other modules like MM and FI/CO. By the end, you'll have a complete understanding of how production orders drive manufacturing in SAP. Part 2. What is a production order? A production order in SAP PP is a central document that controls the entire manufacturing process. It tells the system and the production team exactly what needs to be produced, when it should be produced, and with which materials and resources. Think of it as the work instruction in SAP. It links together the material to be produced, the quantity required, the bill of materials BOM, listing all raw materials, the routing, which defines the sequence of operations, and the work centers, where the operations will take place. Production orders also track the progress of manufacturing. They record material consumption, labor confirmations, and finally, the goods receipt of finished products. In short, a production order is the backbone of actual execution in SAP PP, transforming planning into reality. Part 3. Master data needed before creating orders. Before you can create a production order in SAP PP, certain master data must already be set up in the system. Material Master contains all details about the product to be produced and the raw materials required. Includes information like units of measure, procurement type, and planning data. Bill of materials, BOM. A structured list of all components needed to manufacture a finished product. For example, a bicycle BOM would include the frame, wheels, tires, handlebars, and so on. Routing. Defines the sequence of operations required to produce the material. Specifies work steps like cutting, assembling, welding, or painting. Work centers represent the physical locations, machines, or production lines where the operations are carried out. Each work center also includes capacity and cost information. Without these master data elements, a production order cannot function properly because it wouldn't know what to produce, how to produce it, or where it should be produced. Part 4. Step-by-step process of production orders. Now let's go step by step through the full life cycle of a production order in SAP PP. 1. Order creation, transaction CO01. The planner creates a production order for a material and quantity. The order pulls in master data, BOM, routing, and work centers. System schedules the order based on available capacity. 2. Order release. Once reviewed, the order must be released before execution. Release makes the order active, allowing material reservations and shop floor activities. 3. Material reservation and goods issue. The system reserves required raw materials from inventory. Warehouse team issues the materials. Goods issue in MM. Stock levels are updated and consumption is posted to the order. 4. Production execution and confirmation workers. Execute operations defined in the routing. Confirmations record labor time, machine usage, and progress. Partial confirmations can be done if only part of the order is completed. 5. Goods receipt of finished product. Once production is finished, the order is confirmed as complete. A goods receipt is posted in MM. The finished product is added to stock, ready for sale or further processing. 6. Order settlement. At the end, costs collected on the order, materials, labor, overhead, are settled to cost objects in FI/CO. This ensures financial transparency and proper cost accounting. From creation to settlement, production orders ensure that manufacturing is executed in a controlled and transparent way. Part 5. Integration with MM, FI/CO. Production orders in SAP PP don't work in isolation. They integrate tightly with other modules, especially MM and FI/CO. Integration with MM, materials management. Goods. Issue. When raw materials are consumed during production, MM updates inventory levels. Goods. Receipt. When the finished product is received, MM posts it into stock. Reservations. PP creates reservations that MM uses to control material availability. Integration with FI/CO, finance and controlling. Cost collection. During production, costs for materials, labor, and overheads are collected on the production order. Order settlement. At the end of the process, these costs are settled to cost centers, profitability segments, or other controlling objects. Accounting entries. Each material movement, GI/GR, automatically generates financial postings in FI. This integration ensures that production is not just physically executed, but also reflected in inventory levels and financial accounts, providing a 360-degree view of the manufacturing process. Part 6. Common reports and monitoring. Once production orders are created and executed, monitoring them is just as important as creating them. SAP PP provides several standard reports and transaction codes for this purpose. Key reports and monitoring tools. CO02/CO03. Display and change production orders to check details or make adjustments. COHV. Mass processing of production orders, useful for releasing or closing many orders at once. MB52. Stock overview. See current inventory status for materials related to the orders. MF47. Analysis of planned versus actual consumption. Helps compare expected versus actual material usage. KKBC_ORD. Cost report for production orders. Detailed breakdown of actual versus planned costs. These reports help planners, production managers, and finance teams track order status, identify bottlenecks, and ensure accuracy in both materials and costs. Monitoring ensures production stays efficient and any deviations are corrected quickly. Part 7. Real-life example, scenario. To make this process more practical, let's walk through a simple real-life example. Producing bicycles in SAP PP. Order creation. The production planner creates an order for 500 bicycles. SAP automatically pulls in the BOM, which lists frames, wheels, tires, chains, and handlebars. Order release. Once released, the system generates reservations for the required raw materials. Material issue MM. The warehouse issues steel frames, rubber tires, and other components. Inventory is updated and consumption is recorded against the production order. Production execution workers assemble bicycles step by step according to the routing. Confirmations are entered in the system as each operation is completed. Goods receipt of finished product. When all 500 bicycles are produced, a goods receipt is posted. The finished bicycles now appear in stock and are ready for sale. Settlement costs for materials, labor, and overhead are settled to the appropriate cost centers in FY/CO. This example shows how production orders guide the entire journey, from raw materials to finished goods, while ensuring integration with MM and FI/CO. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips for working with production orders in SAP. Always make sure your master data, BOMS routings, work centers is correct. Otherwise, production orders will not run smoothly. Use reports like CO03 and KKBC_ORD regularly to track order status and costs. Don't forget about integration. Production orders impact not just PP, but also MM and FI/CO. Production orders are the backbone of SAP PP. They connect planning with execution, manage material consumption, track operations, and ensure financial transparency. If you're working in manufacturing or planning a career in SAP PP, mastering production orders is absolutely essential. If you'd like me to create a live demo of production orders inside SAP, let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who wants to learn SAP PPP.